Hello student, this is model answer for lesson disaster management. And disaster management first question is, state whether the following statement is true or false. So if the statement is false, so you should write the correct statement there, and if the statement is true, so that time also you should write the statement again. If the president is the chairman of National Disaster Management Authority, this is the false statement. The Prime Minister is the chairman of National Disaster Management Authority. Okay, second is, what will you do if the domestic gas cylinder burst? So there are 4 options, and the correct answer is cover the cylinder with a wet bed sheet. Third is, the headquarters of National Disaster Response Force is located at, and the correct answer is Delhi. Question number 2. Explain the various effects of railway accident disaster. In this case, you can write any 4 or 5 points according to the situation. For example, first, the train and disaster site suffer huge damage. Okay, the building gets collapsed or plants are collapsed, etc. Second, many people lose their lives. So loss of life and loss of property is the main definition of disaster. So that point also you can add. Third, blockage of railway tracks cause transportation delay and inconvenience to public. Okay, so this is the major effect on society. Fourth one is chaos and confusion break out. Thieves may exploit the situation and robs passengers and other people. So this is the negative effect of railway accident. Second, an accident may cause these material to spill out and spread harmful gases in the areas. Okay, so this case takes place when in rail accident the goods trains are affected, or due to goods train accident in goods train. So that time another damage takes place. Second is, hazardous liquids may penetrate the water supply and land and ultimately flow into the stream and river. And third one, spills may cause fire and property damage. Toxic spills adversely affect people and animal and plants. And last one, a railway accident result in heavy financial losses. So financial loss is also takes place. Next question, suggest remedies or measures. Picture of the disaster is given below. What precautions would you take during the following disaster? Which type of first aid is offered to the injured people? So answer is, in this picture shows a house on fire. So precautions to be taken: immediately exit the house and call the nearest fire station. Second, when evacuating the house, see that there is no fire on the other side of the exit. Third point, if there is smoke in the air, stay as low as possible to reduce inhalation exposure. Okay, this is very important. Next, move towards the refuge area and wait for further instructions. Do not panic. Next is, be aware of the other in danger and see if assistance can be sent to them. And last point, do not waste time in collecting personal material, but exit the area as quickly as possible. And first aid is, if fire is caught by the clothing of victim, do use it with water. Wash the burn wounds with clean water. Offer water to drink. Clean the wounds with antiseptic solution. Cover them with clean, dry bandages and contact the doctor. Next question. Write the properties of pre-disaster management. Okay. First is, identify the disaster prone area. Second, collecting information about the intensity of disaster and probable sites of disaster through predictive intensity maps and hazards maps respectively. Okay, this point is related to the meteorological department also. So we should collect the information from the meteorological department time to time about the atmospheric or environmental situations. Third is getting special training for disaster management, okay, which is called mock drill. Okay, so you can write down in bracket mock drill also. Next is increasing awareness about disaster management among the general people through training program or mass media, etc. Next question, mock drill is useful. Explain the statement. First point, here we have to write down the meaning of mock drill. Okay, a mock drill is a practice to check the preparedness for facing a disaster in a shortest possible time. Second, it helps to evaluate the response to the disaster and improve the coordination between various departments of the disaster control. Okay, here you can write down the different examples of different disaster departments also. You know, example, police force, fire brigade department, or other administrative departments also. Third point, it helps to check effectiveness of a planned actions. It also helps to identify possible risk and errors. And last point, it helps to ensure quick and safe escape, avoid panic and confusion, and reduce the number of accidents and injuries. Hence, it is said that mock drill is useful. Thank you.